Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nighty Boo from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. Now inside each eye, towards the bottom corner, let's draw another circle. And now let's color these both in black. Next, let's hop down underneath and add the nose. We'll start with a curve out from both sides like this. And then let's connect them at the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw 2 small black circles for the nostrils. And that's it for the nose. Next, let's hop down and draw the mouth on the bottom right. Let's start with an upside down curve on an angle. And then 2 V-shapes for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop up and draw the hat. Let's start on top above the eyes and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it up and in, leaving a gap in between. And now let's close off the top with a curved shape up and back down. And lastly for the hat, inside at the bottom, let's draw 3 curves. Next, let's hop down and draw the shape of the head. Let's start from the bottom of the hat and let's draw an angled line down and then curve it down at the bottom. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. Next for the head, let's hop up and add the ears. Let's start on top of the head next to the hat and let's draw a curve up and out from both sides. Now for the end, let's curve it back down and in. And then inside each ear, near the top, let's draw another curve. Now behind, let's draw another set of ears. Let's start on the left and let's hop down from the top and let's draw another curve out. And the same on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it back in to the head like this. And lastly, inside each ear, let's add 1 more curve. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the wings. From the left side, let's step up from the bottom and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and back in toward the middle. And then from the end, let's curve it in and down. And now for the right side, let's start underneath the right headline and draw an S-shaped curve in and down. And then let's curve it up and back down, making it longer than the left side. Now from the sides, let's draw a long curve down on the left and the same thing on the right. And now let's close off the bottom of the left with a V shape. And then to close off the right wing, let's draw a diagonal line. And lastly, inside each wing, let's draw 2 long curves. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's move to the bottom and draw the feet. In the center, under the wings here, let's draw curved lines down and in. Now let's draw a curve out and then loop it back in. And the same on the right for the feet. And now let's connect them with a curve up and back down. And lastly, inside each foot, let's draw 2 curves for the toes. And that's it for Nighty Boo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!